Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will notified. So in this video we're going to be looking at the top 5 quick loan app in Nigeria today, and how do we determine what quick loan app is, and how you can actually get a quick loan in Nigeria today. For me, I believe that quick loan app can actually be disbursed within 10 to 30 minutes, under 30 minutes. That's what I can actually be able to know if this app is quick and then can disburse a loan within short period of time. So that's why I come up with this 5 quick loan app for you, so that you can actually use any one of them to request for a next loan in Nigeria today. The number one quick loan app in Nigeria today, which I found and I believe that it's what it is, Palm Credit. Palm Credit is another quick loan app in Nigeria today, which offer instant loan online to every individual in Nigeria, and the app already have over 176,000 reviews from Google Play Store and over 5 million downloads with this app alone. So you can see if this app is actually not working, and if it's not disbursing loan as quick as possible, I'm very sure people are not going to be using it. And this app is topping number 7 in finance niche, and trust me, you can get a loan under 10 minutes after submitting every information which they ask you on this particular app. You will be able to get a loan disbursed to your bank account directly, and you can get a loan of up to 100,000 naira. This also depends on how much your account is receiving. Probably you are running a student account or a business account, so that will also be determined. And then trust me, you can get a loan for up to 1 million naira depending on the kind of account you are running to, and to request for a loan on this particular app. And the interest rate is very low, and as you can see on my screen, you can get for up to like 12% low interest rate on any kind of amount you borrow on this particular app, which is Palm Credit. They also offer instant borrow as many times as you want with your credit limit without extra approval steps. So once you borrow a loan from the first time, so they won't need to check on your details again before they disburse another loan direct to your bank account. So with that, Palm Credit is one of the best loan app and quick loan app you can actually use to borrow your next loan in Nigeria today. And trust me, you'll be very amazing at the result which you will get as fast as they will disburse a loan direct to your bank account with no extra charges or no extra cost. The number 2 app which offer quick loan in Nigeria today is OP, and with OP you can get unlimited loan with this app. And this app have different kind of features in there. You can buy airtime, you can do data subscription, you can do different kind of things, because I also use this particular app and it's very amazing. Even though when you send out money, you'll be able to get the instant debit, and then the receiver will also receive the money ASAP. And you can see this app is topping number 1 in the finance niche on Google Play Store. This app have over 252,000 reviews, and the overall rating is 4.4, and the total downloads is 10 million plus. This is great if you are looking for the best and quick loan app in Nigeria today. Try OP app, and trust me, you won't regret this. And you can receive up to 15% annual interest on flexible savings, which means you can also use OP app to save money, and then you'll be able to withdraw the money as at when you actually set to withdraw your money from the app. And you can see I also have this app installed on my mobile device, so that is why you are seeing the open icon where it asks me to open the app. If I don't have this app, it will ask me to install the app instead. And you can also check the reviews to see what they're actually saying about this app, so you definitely know if they offer quick loan in Nigeria or not. This app also licensed by CBN and insured by NDIC. This app also offers 24/7 support to anyone who is actually using this app. You don't have to borrow a loan, to request for airtime, to pay bills, or to save money with this app. They have different kind of features which you can actually receive or get with this app. install the app today and see the end there. So definitely you won't regret it. Fair Money is another quick loan app in Nigeria today which you can actually trust, and trust me, you'll definitely be amazed with this feature, with the features of this particular app. They also offer a banking app which will make it very easier for you, just like OPay, which I just reviewed in this video. They also have different kind of features which you can actually use, and they have over 512,000 reviews, and the overall rating is 4.4 with a total download of 10 million, just like OPay app. But with this one, you can get a loan of up to 1 million naira in Nigeria today, and it's very easy peasy, and you can enjoy an interest on your savings from 10% to 26%, depending on how much you are investing or saving with Fair Money. And you can get 30 free transfer every month, depending on how much you're actually transferring from this particular app. So definitely you can see that this app have a lot of features: airtime, data, cable TV, internet subscription, and many more like that. So with Fair Money, you have zero charges on or any hidden fees from this particular app. They also offer an ATM card, which is for the users who are actually interested in having Fair Money ATM card to do some transaction from the bank. So you can also see that this app is topping number 6 under the finance niche on Google Play Store, and trust me, you can use this app to get a very quick loan in Nigeria today. And scrolling down, you also see that what people are actually saying about this particular app, and they are fast in responding to your comment. If you have any issue regarding any features on this particular app, the customer support will definitely reply to you and fix any problem you are facing on this particular app. That is why Fair Money is outstanding out of all the competitors, because they offer customer service and then they are very reliable. So try Fair Money today, and trust me, you will have a quick loan disbursed direct to your bank account. Kilo Cash is another quick loan app in Nigeria today. As you can see, the app is very new, fresh, and it's having over 165 reviews. That is less than 1,000 reviews here, and the total rating is 4.4. You can see from my screen, and total download is 10,000 people who have already downloaded this app, who request for a loan or not, who use this app to do review or not. Regardless of that, total downloads from Google Play Store is 10,000, and with this app you can get a loan from up to 350,000 naira, and you also have different kind of features. So as much as information you provide, as much as the loan you definitely get from Kilo Cash app, and you can get a loan of up to 1 million naira with this particular app. So checking on the app, you also see different kind of loan period we can actually choose from, and depend on the one that actually work for you. But note that the more days you choose, the more interest will definitely go higher, and you can get a loan direct to your bank account with no stress. And this loan app only take 4 steps to complete the application: completing your information, reviewing your details, and then loan approved. Then the loan will be disbursed direct to your bank account. 100% online application, loan times within 3 to 6 months, and the interest rate within 24%. And you can get or link different kind of bank account you can link different kind of bank account with this Kilo app, and the loan will be disbursed direct to your bank account without any issue. And this app is already topping number 4 on the finance niche, and you can scroll down to see the review and see what people are actually saying about this app to know if this app is well trusted or not, or if you can actually use this app to request for your next loan or not. Check them out today, and trust me, you'll be wow, and you give a feedback on any of this app which I'm reviewing in this video as one of the quick loan app in Nigeria today. Softnaira is the last quick loan app which we'll be checking out in this video. Softnaira, I've made the review about this app, and I'm still trying to add it to this video because it's one of the quick loan app in Nigeria today. The app have over 4.6 reviews and 2,000 reviews, which of the people which have already reviewed this app on Google Play Store, and the app already have over 100,000 people who have already downloaded the app, regardless of people that use this app to request for a loan or not. And with soft naira, you can get a loan from 50,000 naira to 1 million naira, and that's very easy to get as long as you drop every information they ask you to submit before they disburse a loan direct to your bank account. So with this app, you find it so easy to request for a loan for your business, to pay for your bills, to sort out anything you actually want to do. And this app also offers 4 steps before they disburse a loan direct to your bank: minimum documentation, efficient application review, e-signing, and 100% secure, which means every details you submitted on this particular app are well secured. They are not going to spy on your details. It's just for verification purpose, and they will disburse a loan direct to your bank account without any issue as long as they verify every details about you. You can also scroll down to see what people are actually saying about this app to know if the app is actually the next one for you to use to borrow a loan from soft naira or not. So you can also check on the 5-star review to see what people are actually saying, so you can filter to different reviews from people to see what people are actually saying about this particular app. To check on the interest rate, what people are actually complaining, then you definitely know the best one which will definitely fall for your need. But I used to advise everyone to check on the review, because there is no way I can actually go and on to check every review on every app. So and different kind of person can experience different kind of issue when they are trying to borrow a loan online. But regardless of that, you can check them out and see which one actually work best for you. Then from there, you definitely know which one you should use to borrow a loan in Nigeria today. And these are the 5 apps that I believe that they can offer you quick loan in Nigeria today. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel as I have more content for you, more videos for you, and how you can actually get a loan easily in Nigeria today. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.